So here we're gonna plant a tree, an olive tree. So we're gonna dig it up. We're gonna make a hole here. We're gonna fill it with water. And once the water goes down, then we'll plant the tree. And this is a tree here. You wanna know what it is? It's an olive tree. It's an olive tree that we bought at Walmart. So we're gonna try it out. We've dug the hole. You can see here. So now we're gonna fill it up with water. And once it's filled up, we're gonna wait for the water to go down, and then we're gonna plant the tree. So the hole is filled with water. We're gonna wait for that water to go down to make sure that it has drainage, good drainage in the area. And it'll also help the new tree retain moisture. Okay, the water has gone down now. As you can see, it took about 20 minutes, so it has good drainage. So now we're gonna go ahead and plant the olive tree. Okay, now we've put the tree into the hole, and then we're gonna start filling it in with the dirt from here. And here's the finished product. You can see the tree. Plant it. We'll give it a final watering. That should be it. Olive tree. We are going to add some mulch to it to finish it off. So once it's planted, we're going to go ahead and give it a final watering to make sure that it's nice and good. And here's the finished product of the tree. We put the mulch on it. We also trimmed off some of the bottom limbs to make it grow up.